Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. We're doing a vlog. I feel like I haven't done one in a long time. Like, it really hasn't been that long. The last one I did was Christmas for Vlogmas, but it feels like a really long time. So yeah, I'm just gonna vlog today. We're not really doing much today. I just uploaded another video, so that one's going up. Oh my god, my arm's getting tired. That one's going up at 1 p.m. today, so in about an hour. I think it's around 12 right now. All I have to do today is really just like run some errands. Actually, maybe just one errand. I was gonna return some stuff, but I don't know if I'm doing that anymore. I'm gonna let you guys help me decide if I should return it. Okay, so this is what I was talking about when I was saying I don't know if I should return it. So I bought these 3 tops at H&M the other day, and I don't know, I'm just not 100% like feeling them. I feel like I really like this one, and then this one really matches with like a specific pair of like shorts that I have. So I kind of want to keep those, but I'm not 100% on them. And then this one right here is the problem child because I don't know, it's a size too big. And it doesn't look terrible, but I'm just like, should I keep it if I don't 100% feel comfortable in it? And then, I don't know, I really like the pointel, but like only these 2 are the pointel. So I just don't really know. And the like little bows are super cute. So I have no idea if I should keep them or return them. I'm contemplating, but I don't know. I just really don't want to like keep things that I'm not gonna wear. I've been trying really hard to get rid of all the stuff that I don't wear and mostly make my closet like timeless pieces that I know I will keep instead of like wasting money on all these random pieces that I find that I like for like 2 months and then want to get rid of afterwards. So that's the goal right now, but I just feel like I'm having a hard time with it sometimes. And I don't know, because I like it in the moment, and I'm like, will I like this in 6 months or a year? Probably not. So let me know what you guys think, if they're cute tops, if I should keep them or return some of them, one of them, the blue one, maybe. I don't know. I'm so indecisive right now for it, so you guys let me know. I was gonna do that today, but now I can't decide if I do want to return some or all or not, so I'll save that for another day. But for today, oh, bad lighting, I actually have a ton of clothes that I am getting rid of, like donating, that I just don't wear anymore. So I have about 4 bags on the floor of that. And we have a place near where I live where you can take your old clothes and they'll give you, like, they'll pick what they want that they think they can sell and they'll give you some money for it. So I'm gonna go there first, see if they'll take anything. And whatever they don't want, I'm just gonna toss right in the donation bin so we can find it a nice, lovely home for someone that will actually like it. But yeah, that's the plan. I just need to find something to wear and then we can go. Okay, so I'm just trying to figure out what to wear right now. I just found this in the wash after like months of not seeing it and forgetting about it. So I kind of want to wear this cute little grandpa looking sweater. And then, I don't know, it's snowy outside. It's kind of cold, so I just really don't want to be cold. I hate being cold. But I think I'll wear that maybe with my little like flare leggings. That might be cute. Yeah. Guys, look how cute these shorts are from Pink. Victoria's Secret Pink. They're so cute. They have little hearts on them. They're perfect for Valentine's Day. I'm so in love with them. They're so cute. All right, guys, so this is my outfit, the one I showed you exactly like 2 minutes ago. This is what I'm wearing today. Super cute, cozy, comfy. And I think I'm gonna pair it with my little mini Uggs for the day. Super cute, love it. Okay, let's get these bags of clothes and we're gonna go. Okay, don't mind the mess. This is everything that I'm bringing to the clothes place right now, and then we'll go in donation afterwards. So these 2 bags here, this one, and then there's like 2 bags here. not that stuff. That's a haul that I'll actually do for you guys later. But yeah, I have these bags here, so I'm gonna have to carry these out to the car. And yeah, then we're gonna just head over there because I feel like I'm talking way too much. All right, guys, so I made it to the clothing place. Don't mind my driving glasses. Yeah, I'm gonna go in. I'm a little bit nervous just because I have so much stuff. They're gonna be like, you suck bringing all this here. But, because they have to go through everything and like decide what they're taking. But it's all part of my plan for decluttering my room / life. So this is what's got to be done. It's what we're doing. Also, I got my full license. I said in a vlog, no, not a vlog. I did a video last week, I think. It was a life update, like a get ready with me chit chat life update. I'll link it above if you haven't seen it yet. And I was talking about how I got my license, my full license now. And so I don't have to do any more tests or practicing or anything like that. Also, because my old license picture was so ugly. Why does my hair look like a Oompa Loompa? I didn't know that they take a picture of you when you get your, like the first part of your driver's license. So I went that day. I had no makeup on, my hair wasn't done, and the picture came back looking horrendous. And that's the picture I've had the last 4 or 5 years. Since I was 16. Yeah, so it's just so bad. So I finally got a new picture because I got my full license and I had to renew it. And this one actually looks so good. I'm so happy. The other one was just horrendous. I will not show that to you guys. But yeah, I'm so happy I got my full license. Now I can just drive around, do whatever I want, you know? I'm way too excited right now. Okay, I'm gonna take my stuff in and we're gonna get rid of some clothes. Okay, so this is everything I have. It's quite a bit, actually. Not like those stuff down there, but just like these bags. It's quite a bit, so that's what I'm bringing in right now, which is why I was saying I have a lot. Okay, so I'm back in the car now. There's a guy looking at me. Oh my god, I thought he was coming over here. That made me so nervous. Okay, I think he's just going to the gym. Anyways, that was a little bit annoying because they didn't really take that much stuff, and what they did take was like good stuff, and they were gonna give me literally no money for it. So I was like, I think not. They ended up taking like a few things, but I kept the rest. So I'm gonna drive to the donation bins right now and throw them in there. But I did find a steal, which I'm super excited about. I got Jordans. Look how cute they are. So they're just black ones. I've been looking for black shoes for the longest time because I really hate black shoes. I don't know why. I just realized that a little while ago, but I hate black shoes. The only ones I have are my black Uggs, and then I have a pair of Doc Martens, but I have no black like runners that I could wear just like every day. So I did find these. They were only $40. So definitely a steal, and they're so cute, and they're like barely worn. So it was like a 50-50 day. I mean, I found a great find, but also like a little bit disappointed. So I guess I'm like pretty satisfied. I just realized that I forgot to film it, but I just threw everything into the donation bins. They're just back there, so you can't really see it, but the purple thingies. Yeah, that feels so good to just finally get rid of that stuff. It has been sitting in my room for months. I'm not joking. And it just feels so good to finally be rid of it. Like, I feel so much better. Like, I feel like it's not that big a deal, but I just feel so good about it. So we're gonna go home now. I think I have to stop for gas actually, but we're gonna go home now. I have a little haul for you guys, and I just slapped myself. And yeah, I don't know what we're doing for the rest of the day, but we'll figure it out. I'm just home now. I'm back up in my room. I feel so good right now. Because of the shoes and decluttering, as I said. But yeah, I'm just gonna relax for a little bit, honestly. I feel like I've been going nonstop this weekend for some reason. So yeah, I made a little snack. I made some spring rolls here and some little sauce. And hi, Callie. Which Callie's gonna try to steal. And I'm just going to watch some Emily in Paris, I think. It literally came out the 26th of December. And we're in February and I still haven't watched it, and Outer Banks is coming out soon, so I have to catch up on all these shows. But yeah, I'm just gonna sit here, watch some Emily in Paris, eat my snack. That's it. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope that you enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed taking you guys along with me for the day, and I still am hung up on finding those Jordans. But I hope that you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!